Many people wonder why Muharram mourning goes on for 2 months and 8 days when their calendar only logs Muharram as 1 day. For the uninformed, Muharram is the first month of the lunar calendar followed in Islam, and that one day on your calendar where you might be given an off from work is actually Ashur or Ashura, its 10th day, when Prophet Muhammad's grandson Imam Hussain was martyred. History records that Nawab Shujauddaulah, whose seat was Faizabad, initiated Azadari in Awadh in the first 10 days of Muharram. According to Professor Mazhar Naqvi, that 10-day Ashra was extended by King Nasiruddin Haider to a 40-day mourning period until the Imam's Chehlum. But then how did the 40 days turn into a 68 days long mourning period? Here's where it gets interesting, and it may be because of a Nawab acquitted of false murder charges. From Chelum on for the 40th day, the mourning over time extended further till 28th Safar to include the martyrdoms of Prophet Muhammad and his grandson Imam Hassan. And then came the Chup Tazia, taken out in remembrance of the martyrdom of the 11th Shia Imam, Imam Hassan al-Askari, on 8th Rabiul Awwal, the third Islamic month. Solemn, silent, and early morning, the Chup Tazia was a completely Lucknow-born Jalus before it found prominence in the South Asian world. In a report by TOI, the late Nawab Mir Jafar Abdullah of Lucknow was quoted ascribing the initiation of Chup Tazia to a high-ranking noble, Aghan Sahab, or as mentioned in some other accounts as Nawab Ahmad Ali Khan Shaukat Yar Jung. Legend says that Nawab Sahab was implicated for a criminal case. Behind bars, he vowed to institute a trust for Muharram and take out a procession in memory of Imam Hussain as soon as he is declared innocent. When that day came to fulfill his vow, the British only allowed him to take a silent procession without any matam or noha, as a curfew was in place. Since Shelum had already passed when the nobleman came out of jail, he held the mourning on 8th Rabiul Awwal. It became an annual phenomena, and the mourning period went on till this Chup Tazia for a total 68 days. From Lucknow, the Chup Tazia extended to Allahabad, Delhi, Hyderabad, and the Lucknowwalas who migrated to Pakistan and then later to Bangladesh started similar Chup Tazia processions there and in other countries and continents. It is intriguing how sometimes personal traditions turn global and in this case lead to a mourning of 2 months and 8 days.